Tonight we're going to be cooking this girl's favorite, chicken cordon bleu to be exact. Chicken stuffed with ham and cheese, mainly Swiss usually, but I'm going to vary that up a little bit. And then we're going to add a wine gravy sauce at the end. Oh, it's going to be delicious, right? Delicious? Okay, let's get started. Come on.
First, we're going to take some chicken breasts and we're going to flatten them out. I like to put mine in a Ziploc bag. That way, it prevents any splatter, keeps it contained very nicely. Just like that. There we go. Let's get the second one in there. Okay. Now, I'm going to be using a wooden mallet. You can use a rolling pin if you want to. Or your fist if you'd like to take out your aggression. Wham! Pow! Crack! Okay. Just kidding. There we go. Get it nice and flat, about 1/4 inch. Get out a bowl, put some flour in it. This isn't an exact measurement. This is to just give a little light coating to the chicken. I'm going to use about 2 cups of flour here. Let's say a couple tablespoons worth of paprika. There we go. About a couple teaspoons of onion powder. Teaspoon of parsley. And a teaspoon of garlic powder. There we go, garlic powder. Alright, give it all a really good mix. Get it ready, set it aside for the chicken. I'm going to lay down some wax paper here. Next we get our ham and cheese. I've got Cordon Bleu with Swiss. I had some white cheddar that I was going to use, but I have no idea where it went. So, I guess Colby Jack is going to have to do. So, take your Swiss, fold it up, and start putting it in the ham. Okay? Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to fold the ham completely over the cheese, envelop it like an envelope. Okay? Now, as you can see, I'm going to try to get it covered as good as I can, and then get it into a square, minimize it, and I'm going to do the same with the Kojak. You can just do this with just Swiss, or you can add another cheese if you like. Your choice. Alright, get them both pinned together. I'm going to take another slice of deli ham here. Okay, there we go. Alright, and cover it up. Get it all nice and covered and square. Enveloped like a little envelope. Okay, now we're going to hurry through this second one, I think. There we go. Look at that. Okay. Go ahead. I'm going to get some toothpicks out. Then get your chicken breasts out. And lay them down on your wax paper or a clean countertop. Boom. There we go. Okay. Alright. Get your ham that you have the cheese in. Put it in the middle of the chicken. Okay. Now, we're going to fold the sides of the chicken up and use as many toothpicks as you need to pin this to get this 100% closed around the ham and cheese. Okay? Now, don't worry about how many you use. Just do A, remember how many toothpicks you have in so you know how many toothpicks you have to take out later. And B, leave them sticking out enough where you can pinch them and get a good hold of them to drag them out without tearing apart the chicken when it's time. Maybe one more. There we go. Alright, and let's speed through the second one. Looking nice. Alright, let's cover it in that flour dreads that I was talking about. Both sides. Okay, then we're gonna... Alright, looking nice. Now we're gonna put it to the side. Right here on a paper plate. Or regular plate, you choose. Okay. Same with the second one, just make sure it's coated on all sides. There we go. Alright. There we go, put this up. Next, butter. Melt butter in a pan. Let's say low, medium heat. 8 tablespoons, 1 full stick. There we go. Now take your chicken, put it in the pan. You're going to have it on a medium-high heat here. Now, we're going to take the chicken and we're going to try to brown it on each side, front, bottom, and top. Now, 1 cup of wine. use a white wine. 1 cup. Yeah. I'm using Moscato. You can use a Chardonnay or any other kind of white wine that you have or that you want. Doesn't matter. There we go. Oops. Bubbles. Give it a little bit to even out there. Oh, or take a sip. Yep. Okay. Yum. All right. Fill it to the top there. There we go. 1 full cup. Okay. Now, little plate here. I'm going to show you this. We are going to take some chicken bouillon. I have powdered instead of cubed. Use a cube or use 1 heaping teaspoon. Here. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a heaping teaspoon. I'm going to prove it to you by putting it in here in this measuring spoon. Look at that. Oh, perfect. All right, good. Put it on the plate. Okay. Oh, clean up. Okay. This chicken's looking good. Let's flip it. Okay. See how just a barely light brown crust is appearing? That's exactly what we want. Now you can get it a little darker if you want. Time-lapse photography. No, I'm kidding. I got it. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. Get it on its ends here. There's 1. There's 2. All right. Go ahead and give it a few more minutes there. Time-lapse photography. Now we put it on the other side. There we go. Now brown that end. Get that. Put in your chicken bouillon. Put in the wine. Now we're going to stir and give this a really good mix, okay? There we go. Just enough to incorporate it. Don't have to overstir here. Now, clean up. Put the lid on, and we are going to simmer this on a low heat for 30 minutes, medium-low to low heat. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's turned out nicely. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to get cornstarch. We need 1 heaping tablespoon. So, see, what? Oh, what? You don't believe me? Let's try this again. Okay, measuring spoon. 1 heaping tablespoon. Bam, look at that. Nice. Okay. Cream, half and half is what I'm using today. 1 cup exactly. Put in your cornstarch. Don't waste not, want not. All right, whisk it very vigorously. Make sure you get up all the cornstarch. Stir it and whisk it until it's all absorbed and there's nothing sticking to the bottom. We're going to let it set, and we're going to get another whisk later once we're closer to the time to need it. That to the side. Okay, a plate. And let's get our chicken. After 30 minutes, it's smelling so delicious. There we go. Get it out. Put it on your plate. 1, y 2 pollos. 2 chickens. Very nice. Okay. Now, time to make the gravy. Yum. Okay, whisk it again. Like I said, make sure that you get every little piece incorporated in there. Some of it might stick to the bottom after staying for a while. That's why I'm whipping it so much. There we go. Put it in the mixture there in your pan. All right. Now that cornstarch, the wine, the half and half is all going to incorporate really nice and make a nice wine chicken gravy. It's going to be delicious. Make sure to scrape up all the little fixings in the bottom of the pan. Don't worry, I'm going to strain them out. Okay, but that is where some of the flavor lays, so make sure to give that a nice stir, scraping the bottom, get some of that off the bottom there. Alright, now this is going to be a medium-high heat. Let it bring to a boil, incorporate it, and it will thicken pretty quick. Okay, look good. Time to take the toothpicks out. I'm using a knife by my thumb to get a nice good pinch. I'm ready to take out all the toothpicks. You do not want to bite down on one of those little rascals. There we go. Turn that around. There we go. There's a better grip on it. Right. Very good. Okay. Hurry through the second. Looking nice. Okay. Now I'm going to strain this gravy. There we go. Just strain it in the cup. However you want to do it here. Look at that. You do see some of the oil separating. Just give it another stir and that'll solve that problem. No sweat. There we go. looking nice. Okay. Now, to plate. There's my chicken. Get my gravy ladle. Take this mixture and this gravy, chicken cordon bleu sauce, and pour it over each thing of chicken. Very nice. Oh, I can't wait to eat. There you go. Voila. And as you can see, I did the crosscut. Gonna take a little bite here and taste test. See if this is good as I remember it being. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, yes, it is. Awesome.
There you go. Chicken Cordon Bleu. Ultra tasty. What did I tell you? Come on, right? Okay, hit the subscribe button. Let me know you like me. Hit that like button. Smash it! Smash it! And check out my other videos, right? Or there. Okay. Anyway, have a great time. I'll see you on the next Randy's Family Kitchen.